how to turn on or turn off search suggestions on Mozilla Firefox browser. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Firefox. This is the home page as you can see. Now go to the top corner and click on those three lines and go down, click on settings. Now all what you have to do is simple. Click here on this search option as you can see and go right here. Or here you will find the search suggestions, and you can enable it or disable it from here if you want. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.